Hello, you are welcome back. Today I'll show you how to prepare this tasty okra soup. Okay, first you get your red oil, your palm oil in your cooking pot. Then we'll go ahead to add the bell pepper, scotch bonnet, and onions blended, but not to a smooth consistency, just rough blend. Okay, and we're going to allow this to fry for like 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, we don't want to get too dry. All right, just allow it to dry a little. Okay, and don't forget to follow us, subscribe on any platform you are watching us from, and we'll go ahead to add our locust beans. Okay, and we will fry it too. We allow it to blend with the pepper paste that we added earlier on. Okay, remember this is not your regular okra soup. This is special. Okay, and we will go ahead to add some crayfish. All right, and we will stir it. Okay, and we'll add some seasoning cubes. You know, this okra soup is so special to my household. Each time I prepare this okra soup, my husband will always say, "This is tasty." Anytime I prepare any delicious meal like this, he gives it the name tasty. He'll be asking, "Do you know what is this soup? This is tasty." Okay? I say, "Ofe mereme." Oh my god, okay? And I'm telling you, try to prepare this for your partner. He will like it. Okay? He or she will like it. Your whole family is going to like it. And here we are adding our boiled meat. Okay? Any meat you are using, this is the time to add it. Your stock fish, your dry fish, all the traffic you want to see in the pot, this is the time to add it already cooked. Okay, and we will go ahead to cover it to to boil, bring it to a boiling point. It's already boiled before. Okay, but to allow it to mix well with the pepper and the locust beans. Okay, you can see this is it, and now here is the time to add our okra. Okay, don't forget to follow us, give this video a like. Okay, and at this point already my kitchen is already booming, 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 booming. And at this time, it's just that I didn't show you guys. I was already hyping myself that I know how to cook. Yes, I know how to cook, and that is why I bring it to you guys, sharing with you guys all my beautiful tasty recipes. Okay, these recipes, they're not your usual okra soup. Try this recipe, okay, and let me know in the comment section what you got. Okay, you can see it's very simple, very easy to make. Yes, as I'm talking to you now, the soup is ready to go down. The soup is ready to go down. Just cook the okra for what, like 1 minute, and we are good to go. Okay, here I'm serving it with gari. Today we are taking gari. You can see. Oh my god. If you're a lover of draw soup, okay, give this video a like, share it, and follow us or subscribe to our page for more delicious food recipes. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.